Dear American Samoa community, as we are all aware, the recent confirmation of a measles case in our community is a serious concern. Measles is a highly contagious disease that can spread rapidly in public places and homes. Prevention is always better than cure, and it is crucial that we take all necessary precautions to stop the spread of measles and protect ourselves and our loved ones. Prevention is the best medicine, must be our motto during this time. It is imperative that each and every family in American Samoa take steps to stay safe from these outbreaks. If it spreads, remember, first do not panic, and here are some important measures to follow. Vaccination. Make sure that everyone in your family, including children and adults, is up to date on their measles vaccinations. Vaccination is the most effective way to prevent the spread of measles and protect yourself and others. Hygiene. Practice good hygiene by washing your hands frequently with soap and water, especially before eating, after using the restroom, and after coughing or sneezing. Cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or your elbow when you cough or sneeze to prevent the spread of droplets. Avoiding crowded places. Limit your exposure to crowded places where the risk of measles transmission may be higher. If possible, avoid unnecessary gatherings and events, especially if you or someone in your family is not vaccinated or has a weakened immune system. Stay informed. Stay updated with information from reliable sources such as public health authorities and follow their guidelines and recommendations closely. Be aware of any measles outbreaks in your area and take appropriate precautions. Quarantine and isolation. If someone in your family is suspected or confirmed to have measles, follow the quarantine and isolation guidelines provided by public health authorities. This will help prevent the spread of the virus to others. Together, we can make a difference in preventing the spread of measles in our community. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and take action to protect yourself and your loved ones. Subscribe to our updates to stay up to date on the latest developments, guidelines, and recommendations from public health authorities. Let's work together to keep our community safe and healthy. Subscribe now and join us in the fight against measles.